Hey, what's up? This is Anthony with Nihilo Concepts. This video is for all you moto dads out there with your kids just getting started on 50s. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the infamous KTM Husqvarna GasGas 50 clutch and how you can make it better. Here we have the springs, the bolt kit, the beveled washer, and the pins. We also offer a wide variety of parts from 2012 and before. Right here we have the beveled washer. It'll make your clutch as good as new. This is the Nihilo spring. Thicker wire and more coils makes this the best spring on the market for your 50. Right here you have the 50 clutch bolt kit. If you've ever taken a 50 clutch apart, you know your Allen screws are wearing out pretty quick, and that's why we've made these heavy duty stainless steel Torx head bolts. Right here, we got your Nihilo pins. These are the strongest and most durable pins on the market. Proprietary nickel boron coating, which gives you a Rockwell hardness that's off the scale. No one knows the 50 better than us here at Nihilo. Feel free to give us a call for a complete breakdown, and don't forget to check out our blog at nihiloconcepts.com. Stay tuned for a whole series on all these parts.